What you're about to see sounds like science fiction, but scientists have created tiny living machines that can move. These tiny organisms are called Xenobots. They're built from living frog cells, but they aren't frogs, animals, or traditional robots. To create Xenobots, scientists use stem cells taken from frog embryos. Then, powerful computer simulations help design. Instead of designing Xenobots manually, scientists allowed artificial intelligence to test thousands of possibilities and discover shapes that work. Xenobots don't use motors, wheels, or electronics. Instead, they move using living heart cells that naturally contract and generate. Unlike traditional robots, Xenobots are made entirely of living tissue. Their movement comes from coordinated cell activity rather than. Scientists discovered that groups of Xenobots could work together to move objects and complete simple tasks, creating behavior that looked.
In 2020, researchers revealed Xenobots to the world. What happened next surprised even the scientists themselves.
Xenobots have no brain and no nervous system. They survive using stored energy from their original frog cells and can remain active for days. In one experiment, scientists intentionally damaged a Xenobot. Instead of stopping, the living machine began repairing itself. Scientists believe Xenobots could help us better understand how living cells repair damage. Similar biological processes may one day improve. Then, in 2021, scientists observed something completely unexpected. Xenobots appeared to gather loose cells.
This wasn't traditional reproduction. The Xenobots weren't producing offspring through eggs or cell division. Instead, they physically gathered loose cells. Scientists later used artificial intelligence to discover better Zetter Xenobot shapes. One design dramatically improved the ability to gather.
When people heard Xenobots could reproduce, many imagined science fiction scenarios. But Xenobots can only function under very specific laboratory conditions.
Scientists believe Xenobots could one day help deliver medicines, remove microplastics from the environment, and perform tasks too.
One possible future use for Xenobots is targeted drug delivery. Instead of affecting the entire body, treatments could be delivered directly to specific tissues. Researchers are exploring whether living biological machines could someday help remove harmful materials, support healing, or perform specialized tasks inside the body. Scientists have suggested that future biological machines might help collect microscopic pollutants, including microplastics that are difficult to remove using traditional methods. If living biological machines become more advanced, they could transform medicine, environmental protection, and technology itself. But
Xenobots have sparked an important debate. Are they simply biological machines? Or do they represent an entirely new category that...
Throughout history, every major breakthrough brought both opportunity and uncertainty. Xenobots may be another step in that. While science fiction often imagines extreme outcomes, most researchers expect Xenobots to remain specialized tools designed to solve. Researchers are already exploring improved Xenobot designs. Future versions could be more efficient, more specialized, and capable. Xenobots challenge one of the oldest questions in science. What does it actually mean to be alive? Even experts don't completely. Xenobots may represent only the first step toward a future where scientists can design entirely new biological systems for specific. As biological engineering becomes more powerful, many researchers believe careful regulation and responsible development will be just as. Perhaps the most important lesson from Xenobots isn't what they can do. It's how they challenge.
Throughout history, humanity has searched for answers about life. Xenobots may not provide all those answers, but they have opened entire.
Whether Xenobots become a major technology or remain a scientific curiosity, they have already earned a place in the history of. Xenobots represent something unique. The meeting point between biology and artificial intelligence. Two of the most powerful. In the best-case future, Xenobot-inspired technologies could help improve medicine, protect ecosystems, and solve biological challenges that. Like every powerful technology, biological engineering carries risks and unknowns. That's why researchers emphasize careful testing.
From laboratories around the world, researchers continue exploring the possibilities of biological engineering. Xenobots may one.
For billions of years, evolution shaped life on Earth. Now, for the first time, humanity is beginning to explore. Decades from now, Xenobots may be remembered as one of the first experiments that changed how humanity thinks about biology. Every great discovery presents a choice. The question is not whether we can develop new technology. Xenobots may be tiny, but the questions they raise are enormous. The future will depend on the choices